2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I love doing math. I love doing math. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I love doing math. I love doing math. Hey, math is so easy to me. It's so easy. Count it up like.
Hey everybody, I am so excited to be back to making math videos with you. Last week was spring break and the other 6th grade teachers and I got together and we had this conversation about what can we do between now and the end of the year to make sure that our 6th graders are totally prepared for 7th grade math. And what we decided is that we need to go back and review fractions. We already did fractions when we did Module 4 earlier in the year, but we are going to take these next 2 weeks to review fractions. Bonus fraction time! What more could you want in life? If this feels like review, well, it is, and that's a good thing. And it means that by the time you go to 7th grade, you will be a fraction expert. We are going to start off today by converting mixed numbers to improper fractions, and I'm going to turn it over to Miss Rogers.
Hi guys, it's Miss Rogers. Today we are going to change a mixed number to an improper fraction. So before me you can see that we have 5.5, so we're going to change that right now. So our steps are denominator times our whole number plus the numerator, and let me show you how to do that. So our denominator times our whole number plus our numerator. So 2 times 5 is 10, and 10 plus 1 is 11. And then remember, we just put it back over our denominator, so our answer is 11 over 2. All right, let's do one more. Four and 2/3. So we take our denominator times our whole number, and then add our numerator. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. And we put it back over our denominator to get 14 over 3. So remember, it's just like a circle. Denominator times whole number plus the numerator, and then put it back over our denominator.
All right, so we are next going to do the opposite of what you just did with Miss Rogers. We are going to take an improper fraction and convert it to a mixed number. Now, as a reminder, an improper fraction means that the numerator, the top, is bigger than the denominator, the bottom. 25 over 4 is an improper fraction, and our instructions tell us to convert it to a mixed number. The way we do that is by taking our numerator and dividing it by our denominator. Now, I know that 4 goes into 25 6 times. 6 times 4 is 24. When I subtract that, I get a remainder of 1. Now, we can use this information to convert this improper fraction to a mixed number. 6, which is in my quotient, becomes my whole number. In my mixed number, 1, my remainder, becomes my new numerator, and my denominator stays the same. It stays as 4. So 25 over 4 equals 6 and 1 over 4. These two numbers represent the same value. This is the improper fraction version. This is the mixed number version. Let's take a look at number 2. Same process. We have an improper fraction because 17, the numerator, is bigger than 6, the denominator. I take my numerator, 17, and divide it by my denominator, which is 6. 6 goes into 17 2 times. 2 times 6 is 12. And when I subtract that, I get a remainder of 5. I can use this information now to create a mixed number. 2, which is in my quotient, becomes my whole number in my mixed number. 5, my remainder, becomes my new numerator, and my denominator stays the same. So 17 over 6 is equivalent to 2 and 5 over 6. Improper fraction version, mixed number version, but they represent the same value. Now it's your turn to do some practice with improper fractions and mixed numbers. In your assignment for today, you have 2 different worksheets and a quiz. Have fun!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I love doing math. I love doing math. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I love